Is YouTube TV having issues? Let's find out what might be happening. Occasionally, YouTube TV users may experience problems like freezing, buffering, or app crashes. These issues are often caused by internet connectivity. Streaming live TV requires a stable connection with speeds of at least 3 megabits per second for HD content. If your Wi-Fi is weak or bandwidth is shared with multiple devices, it can disrupt playback. Switching to Ethernet or reducing network congestion can help. Another common cause is server outages on YouTube TV's end. If their service is down, users across the country may face login problems or interrupted streams. Check YouTube TV's official social media pages or status websites like Down Detector to confirm if there's an ongoing outage. App glitches can also occur due to outdated software or cached data. Restarting the app, clearing its cache, or updating it often resolves these issues. If problems persist, contacting YouTube TV support is the next step. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.